Well, this is the finished product as far as I'm concerned. There were some extra parts to this project. One of the plans called for a closed canopy. I decided to leave it open since the wheels are down. I could have put the wheels up if I wanted to. That was an option, but I kind of like the wheels down. It's just a little extra. Let's see if I can get this right. So you can see I painted the bottom raw white. I took a little liberty painting the fuel tanks. The decals went on okay. And let's see if I can try and get this into focus here. Oops, where are you? Come on. There we go. Come on. It's not doing it. Anywho's, well, it's my F-86 Sabre Dog. Flew in the Korean War during the 50s. One time was the fastest plane on the planet. Hard to shoot down when they're fast. All in all, a good build. I'm actually kind of happy about this. I like the yellow paint. I like how it contrasts with the black. I like how the decals went on. There were a lot more decals that I gotta put on, but it's almost so small that it's all about you never really see it. I mean, you certainly can't read it, not without a magnifying glass. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So let's see if I can turn this thing around here. Nope. That's my kitchen. Sorry about that. Anywho's, I think you'll hope you're as happy watching my video as I was making it. And the next project I think is going to be an AM/FM radio. We'll see how that goes. Thanks again. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.